You are listening to Tech Gumbo on Talk 107.3 FM, WBRP, Baton Rouge's local talk and information leader. Tech Gumbo is brought to you by Gulf South Technology Solutions. You can reach us at
225-216-2169
or on the web
at gulfsouthtech.com.
Gulf South Tech for all your business computer technology needs. At Gulf South, we give you the right solution, right response.
Right now.
I'm not James Moak. I'm Haggai. You're James Moak.
James Moak. Man, you must have had a really good holidays. You don't even know who you are. You have a little identity crisis here.
Been a month since we've done a new show, and yes, I'm kind of brain dead, so that's a great way to start 2016.
There you go. And no indication of how it's going to be, but more fun, I guess.
Absolutely. As always, we want to remind everybody, please go to pulse.techgumbo.net and vote and let us know what you're thinking. Give us the thumbs up, thumbs down, or if you're just okay with it. Instant feedback is a great thing for us. And then we also have our free one-year subscription to Microsoft Office 365.
Yep, and you can register for that by going to our Facebook page at facebook.com/GulfSouthTech and type in today's keyword, which is Microsoft.
And then we'll draw a name from, a winner from everybody who registers, and we'll contact you and get you hooked up. So, James, what's been happening at Gulf South Tech since last we spoke?
Man, we've had a lot of things going on, not only technology-wise, but internally with the company. We started a journey back in September, if you will, to build us a new home. And we managed to complete that and move the week of Thanksgiving, of all weeks. But it worked out perfect for us. And because I don't think moving, whether you're moving your business or moving your home, there's never really a good time to do it. But, for us, moving to a new home that is built, specifically for our company the way we want it to be, we'll put up with the hassle.
Absolutely. And now it's just I've only got one thing in a box left in my office.
Well, there's a couple of offices in there, a couple of rooms. We have our new game room that we're building out for everybody, which will have the big flat screen TV and the Xbox or the PS3 or 4 or 7 or 8, whatever they're up to now, and something fun to play there in the golf simulator room. Well, those rooms still have boxes. They're kind of the catch-all for right now.
Right, the rooms of requirement kind of thing.
Exactly. And so, but we're getting close. We're working hard to get those cleaned out, and we're going through the declutter mode still. It's like if it was in the other office for 5 years and it's been in this office, we probably don't need it. And so
tell everybody my favorite thing in the office is the conference room and what's hanging on the wall in the conference room.
Yeah, one of the things we wanted to do in the conference room that we kind of fell short a little bit on in the old building was to be able to have a conference room that was big enough to get everybody in all at one time. And not only that, but have a presentation, device on the wall in the form of a TV, whiteboard, etc., that you could see from one end of the conference room to the other. And so we, managed to get an 84-inch Westinghouse whiteboard TV /whiteboard /Windows 10 PC
and
/4K.
4K, that's right. So sitting there at this table looking at the video, I think there was one of the YouTube videos of Costa Rica jungle at 4K, and you're looking at these frogs and these lizards and snakes that are, they're bigger than I am, and you can see so amazingly crystal clear on this 4K TV. It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's what we've tried to do throughout the entire building there is kind of show kind of the latest technology out there, and be able to utilize that. I mean, yeah, it's a really pretty TV, and I'm sure we'll watch some more bowl games and what have you, and of course the Masters will be on in April.
Yeah,
and
the Final 4 week will be
exactly LSU baseball.
Instead of having to take that day off, we can just watch the games in the off.
That's right, man. We can bring the food and drink in there, and we'll watch that. But with the built-in whiteboard capabilities, that it has. I mean, when we're doing presentations to clients or prospects, I mean, there's nothing better than that. I mean,
absolutely.
The days of the old whiteboard, you wipe it off, you write on it, and you erase it, and it kind of leaves a film after a while. Those days are gone, and
right.
This is fully touch compatible, and so it's very interactive with, like I said, both ourselves, and our clients, and Even in other parts of the office, we've got the frosted, glass, whiteboards for I guess they're called whiteboards anymore, but they're the frosted glass boards for the guys to plan. Yeah, exactly. For the guys to plan their projects and whatnot on.
And we've just installed the brand new Wi-Fi, the 802.11 AC Wave 2 access points that give you up to 5 gigabits of throughput.
Yeah, just scary. Well, to use somebody else's term, freaky fast.
Yeah, I'm sure there's no patent infringements on that.
Right, it's really, really fast. It's Gulf South fast.
It's Gulf South fast, and boy, it's real exciting being in the new office. And here in about another month, once we get everything built out, we'll have the grand opening and get everybody to come see us.
Absolutely. We're at 7668 Goodwood, which is kind of across from the new library. And so everybody's welcome to stop by now, and we can kind of show you what we have. But to get the full effect, we have everything completely, either installed, or we've got trucks that come every few days dropping off furniture, and we've had people in there looking at plants and just all kind of things.
Yeah. So the final touches, everything is coming together so nice, and just so excited, so proud of the building, and have people come and see our new home. It's going to be a great place.
It really is. We've integrated a lot of the things that Google and Microsoft and Facebook and all the other big companies have, and just kind of on a much smaller scale, obviously. But some of the same features, with the big open areas, with the break room, and the big open area for the tech services, and like I said, the game room and the golf simulator room we were talking about. It just gives us an opportunity to work and maybe have a little fun while we're doing it.
Absolutely, and it's a great environment to begin with. But now to even have that one step further, okay, it's 5 o'clock. Let's go hit some golf balls. Long driving contest, or let's go get on on the Xbox and let's blow each other up with Halo or something.
Mm-hmm. Whatever we'll be able to do it all in there between the Wi-Fi and all the other good things that we have it's kind of state of the art.
Yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun. So come see us. We're at 7668 Goodwood Boulevard, just kind of catty corner right across from the new library and the soccer fields and everything. We'll let everybody know, especially when we're getting closer to the real grand opening and everything, the ribbon cutting and all those fun things. We'll get the mayor out there and all the fun stuff. It's going to be great.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it'll be a lot of fun. Something funny about that, I had somebody stop by the other day to visit, and he says, "You remember what used to be across the street, didn't you?" And I was like, "No, it kind of escaped me for a little bit." And he reminded me that it was the Mid-City Airport.
That's right. It was Ryan
and
Airport.
I went, wow, yeah, so I'm like, man, you're making me feel old. So we immediately switched topics and started talking about how cool the building was again. But yeah, he did bring that up, and I'd forgotten about it.
It was up until the late 60s, I believe, was when they built the new airport. That was Ryan Field.
Yep.
Right there.
Now the kids are playing soccer. There's big soccer fields out there, and of course we call it the new library. There's been one there, of course, forever, but the new improved. I mean, it's just a great part of town. Glad to see people going to the library. They had the farmers market out there, one morning a week, and just a lot of good things happening in the area.
And it's a great part of town. I mean, it's very centrally located for us to get in and out. We can get to all three directions of the city because you can't really go too far west in Baton Rouge without crossing the bridge. So it's great. It's going to be a lot of fun. Real beautiful on the inside of the building. Going to get a whole lot better on the outside too.
No doubt.
So, want to thank everybody again for tuning in today, coming in, our first show back here. And, we're going to talk in the next segment. We're going to talk about some of the news and updates and everything. But we just wanted to let everybody know the good news that's been happening at Gulf South Technology Solutions. And we still have the customer immersion experience, which is coming to our office in 2 weeks. So that, if you have the opportunity, if you want to learn more about Microsoft and the productivity suite that they have, we can take you through it. It's about a 2-hour, presentation where you're actually using the computer. You're using the Microsoft Office 365 environment. We take you through video conferencing and all the great things that are inside the whole suite, Windows 10, all of those things. If you're interested, please give us a call at 225-216-2169. Or go to our Facebook page or come to our website. Any kind of way, send smoke signals. Let us know you're interested, because it's a real interesting way to learn about what Microsoft is doing.
And we'll have it set up in our new conference room.
Absolutely, and you'll get to see the big, huge 84-inch TV. So, so give us a call. Give us, sale. You can send an email at sales@gulfsouthtech.com. Anything like that, any kind of way you want to get in touch with us, let us know. We'd love to have you. And there's the best thing about it, it's no charge. It's free. For 2 hours, you can sit there and use the equipment and learn about it at no charge, no obligation. So you've been listening to Gulf South Technologies Tech Gumbo. Again, remind everybody to go to our Facebook page at facebook.com/Gulf South Tech. Put in today's keyword,
Microsoft.
And thank you very much for listening. We'll be right back. This is Tech Gumbo on Talk 107.3 FM, WBRP, Baton Rouge, local talk and information leader.